Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Hope you have already seen the day 2 video of the Kerala. If you haven't watched it, I will leave a link of it in the iCard popping up. Click it to watch it. So in day 2, I stayed in top station Kerala and I have shown you some beautiful drone shots of the Western Ghats, and from there I have started my ride to Vagamon. So on the way I have shown you some tea estates, and this is how the ride has been through the tea estates of Kerala. And after riding like this through those beautiful curves, I have finally reached Vagamon in the evening and spent some time at the Vagamon Meadows taking some drone shots and photos, and then finally reached my stay Vagamon Clouds. And now welcome to day 3 of Kerala.
Good morning guys from Vagamon, Kerala. It was a great experience till now, and the last 2 days I haven't vlogged anything because it was raining continuously in Munnar, and while returning back from the Munnar it was super cool and the weather is so good, but I can't vlog on the bike because my GoPro lens has been water went into the lens and it was so blurry, so I can't do any vlogs. But today I have again tried to mount the GoPro on the helmet and I think I got successful. I'm going to do the vlogs again and hope they will come out good. And yeah, I think you have already seen the room tour of my hotel in Vagamon. So the hotel name is Vagamon Clouds and I would definitely recommend it. It costed me around 1500 for one night, but I wanted this room because I want to charge all the devices, power banks, everything, so the drone. Yeah, and I hope you already seen the drone videos. Comment below how are the drone videos, and if you are following me in the Instagram, you would already know which bike I have rented and which places I have already been to. So I will leave a link in the description, and this is my Instagram handle. I will leave a link in the description also. Follow me there so that you can be updated. And
let's go to a place called Tangalpara, which is like the sunrise point from here. So let's fly the drone over there.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams.
just sitting in the balcony of my hotel and listening to some good music. Some good music feels refreshing, right? So let's talk about the bike. The bike, the Xpulse is super good, and for that price I think it will be around 1.5 lakhs for the on-road price. it's super good. It's like a 2 lakhs 3 lakhs bike, and the suspension is super good. Even in a big potholes also, I haven't feel anything. And the broad handles and mirrors, the cornerings I have done in the guards is like super crazy. And I think it's the best bike, the braking and everything. Only thing I felt bad is the headlight and the horn. Anyway, we can manage with this with some mods, that's not a problem. So yeah, Xpulse is super. Well done, Hero. And then yeah, again coming to the trip. Today, initial plan is to go to Alleppey, just covering Alleppey and going to Kochi. But now I have met some people on the way, but it was like they are saying that Alleppey is closed as of now. So I'm planning to skip Alleppey and go to Kochi directly on the bike. So today my stay is at Fort Kochi, which is like a homestay, which is just, here's the beach and this is the homestay. So that's how close it's gonna be. I'm super excited for it. Let's ride for 3 to 4 hours from Vagaman to Kochi. And tomorrow, after exploring the Kochi, there's a train for me going back to Chennai at 5 o'clock. So yeah, I have to go back. I have to catch the train, and after reaching Chennai the Tuesday morning, I'll be taking back the bike which was in the parking of Chennai Central Railway Station and going back to Tirupati, and the normal day office. So yeah, that was about the Kerala trip. And today, if everything goes right, there will be some perfect adventure for me. I'm looking forward it. You will see. If it happens, you will definitely see. Or else, if it doesn't happen also, I'll try to tell what's that. So yeah, let's wish I will do that adventure. Okay, so meet you later guys, see you.
After having some food in the afternoon, I have started mounting the luggage on my bike to leave to Kochi. And on the way, I thought of doing my adventure activity. Let's see.
And this is how the bike looks after the bag is tied up with the bungee cords. And you can see this has been the story of Xpulse, the off-roading beast. Super bike. That's our hotel for today. And okay, finally motovlogging after 1.5 days. And this is how the Xpulse is going on, the ride with the Xpulse. Really, the cornerings with this bike is like super cool. See all the riders coming from some places in Vagaman. See the Vagaman meadows. See, so already you have seen 2 Xpulses in this short distance, and there's an Himalayan now. One more Xpulse. Like too many of them in Kerala. One more. Oh, that's so close. So this is the touristy part of Vagamon. If you go to the left, you can see the Pine Valley. Just see the cornerings, and the wide handle is like super crazy. Can you see those? I hope you are seeing them.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
Ticket?
ഒരാൾക്ക് 20 വണ്ടിക്ക് 10 പാസ്.
മലയാളം ഇല്ല. മലയാളം ഇല്ല. English, Telugu, Hindi.
One person 20 rupees person, and vehicles 10 rupees.
Person 20 rupees, vehicle 10 rupees.
10 rupees.
Okay.
Totally 30 rupees.
Okay.
You just take a pass there.
Okay. Welcome to Vagamon Adventure Park. So the reason I came here is for the adventure part which I was talking about. For the so I will reveal it. Okay. So I'm going to do paragliding over here. If the weather conditions are suitable, then they are gonna allow for it. I hope it will happen. I came yesterday itself, but yesterday also it was cancelled because of high pressure winds. So hoping today it will happen. Actually it has to start at 11 o'clock, but today also because of high pressure winds it was not open, and I have called them and they are told that you can come after 2 o'clock. Then maybe if the weather condition allows, then we can do it. I came to Munnar first Kochi to Munnar to Vagamon, Vagamon to next Alleppey and Kochi.
Okay.
Alleppey is closed.
Short.
Okay. Some people said closed.
This week will open.
Okay.
Coronavirus code.
Malayalam words kurchu. Kurchu. Ella. Seri. Nandi. Ivide restaurant.
Your good name?
Vinay. So we know Kasi. KC.
VINO-KC.
Okay. Nice. Keep posting.
Your channel name?
Wayfarer Vinay. Wayfarer. WAYFARER. Vinay. 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 Okay. Bye. This place is like an adventure zone, and we have small bungee jumping, trampoline, and it's like you have the rope walk. Oh, nice. The clouds are everywhere in Vagamon. And yeah, I have to announce this. I am very sad to announce this that the paragliding is not gonna happen today also. And it just remains closed. If you want to fly the drone in this adventure park, extra charges of 500 you have to pay for the videography.
Vagamon in Kerala is the only place where paragliding happens in the South India. I am very disappointed as I couldn't do the paragliding that day. But anyway, that's not the end of the world, right? There are many things to explore and to see. So I have continued my ride to Kochi from Vagamon, and I have to say Vagamon is very beautiful indeed. So meet you in the next part of day 3, the ride to Kochi. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, do hit that like and comment, and also subscribe for getting the latest updates.